Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if you're having an issue with the video playback has failed to load or render when DirectX is involved. So you could be coming across this issue on Windows 10, Windows 7 or 8, or even an older version to be honest. So we're going to go about how to hopefully resolve this issue without too much of a hassle. So first thing you're going to want to do is open up the start menu, type in DX, DIG, DX, DIAG. Best match should come back with DXDIAG. Right click on it and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control window, Microsoft DirectX Diagnostic Tool, select Yes. So select Yes as well if you get any other prompts along the way. And you want to select Next Page. It says no problems were found, but we're just going to go ahead and select Next. So you notice the display settings here, you just want to make sure everything is enabled. If there are any problems, you want to just take note of it. It should be listed under notes as well. So hopefully this would have actually been able to resolve the problem if you did have an issue. If you're still having a problem, you also want to go open up the start menu and type in display, and best match should say display settings. Go ahead and left click on that. Make sure your scale and layout is set to recommended, as well as display resolution should match what your monitor is. So if your display is kind of out of whack, I guess that's not really a technical term, but that probably would describe what you're looking at. You want to just go ahead and maybe adjust your display resolution to the native resolution for your monitor, because that could also be an issue, especially with these older DirectX 9 errors, which are a pretty old version of DirectX at this point, but you could come across this when running newer operating systems and having older applications. So that's why I made this tutorial basically, but I just gave you guys a couple options here that should hopefully be able to resolve the problem. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.